Alright, welcome back for another quick little how-to video. We are in the process of putting the Gladiator back together after doing the wrap job, and we just wanted to show you how we took the tailgate handle off to be able to wrap behind it. So it's pretty easy. What you're going to want to do is start with the tailgate open. The only two tools you're going to need for this project are a T25 Torx and a 10mm socket. You need a T25 Torx to remove all these screws for this cover. As you can see, I have loosened or removed most of the bolts. There's 2, 4, 6, 8 holding this cover on here. So once you remove all of these, set these off to the side. Thanks for your help, Assistant Kim. We did have to pry this a little bit because I've got the bed liner cover, the bed liner on here, so it looks like they sprayed over it. We did have to use a flathead screwdriver to kind of pop this off at first, but once you get it loose, it comes off nice and easy. Now, what you're gonna see is right down inside here, this is all the tailgate mechanism. Yep. When you pull on the lever, you can see it twists and turns. Pretty simple here. You've got 2 nuts, another T25 bolt here, and 1 wire clip, which is kind of tucked underneath here, if you can see that. Down in there, see that?
Can you shine the light from the other side?
Yep. You see it there? I'm pointing the light at right there. You might be able to see it better from this side. If you want to come around, you can see it right here. Okay, so we'll start with that since we're looking at that. All you're gonna do is just one of those squeeze clips. Squeeze from, it's the back side you squeeze on, and just pull it up and off. That comes off nice and easy. Then what you want to do is see this white clip here. What that's doing is that's holding the rod that moves the mechanism. So this little white piece here just slides off, and then this arm pops out, okay? Once you've done that, you've got your T25 here. You're gonna remove this completely. Okay, set that off to the side. And then you've just got the 2 nuts here. So we're gonna bust those guys loose. Now, you don't have to watch underneath too carefully. Like, I was afraid this was gonna fall out by doing this. There are some clips holding the handle in, so just loosen these guys up. And then from there, you can see it's kind of loose, but it's not popping out completely. It's because there are some tabs from underneath here that you can reach that you have to kind of push in as you are pushing the handle out. So, got 1 and 2. So what'll happen is, if you want to come underneath, Kim, the handle, I think there's 1 more actually that I forget about. This handle will drop down and pull right out. So you can see these are those tabs I was talking about here. So you just push those in to pull the bottom out first, and then you can drop the whole thing out, okay?
Show those tabs there.
Here's the tabs right here and right here. You just kind of push those in and drop this out the bottom, and then you can work the whole thing out. So, all right, so we're gonna put this right back in. You wanna slide the arm up through and just kind of bring it up in like so. There we go. And so just pop it up and in and lock that into place.
And once it's in, this arm seems to bend forward and go right into position, so it's kind of an indication that you're doing it right.
Yep. So that's that. Before I forget this clip, I'm going to do that right away. So that's in. Just put the 2 nuts back on. And then grab your T25. And we're going to tighten that back down. Snug everything nicely. Remember, you are tightening on the plastic, so you don't want to go too tight because you could crack the plastic, but you want them nice and snug. So grab your 10mm socket, and we're going to go ahead and snug these two nuts down. Once that's snug, you can give a tug on your handle. You can see it's going to work nicely, and I would recommend testing it before you put the cover on. So that's that. And then all you got to do is grab your cover plate again, put it back in place, and just like that, just grab all your T25 screws and start putting them in. All right, so just like that, we're all done. So I hope you guys are enjoying these mini videos we're doing on just how to take apart certain little pieces. We're going to try and do that for as much of this vehicle as we can, since we have taken so much of it apart. We want to be able to help you guys out. If you're liking the videos, drop a comment below. Make sure you smash that thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel. We'll see you in the next one.